Let's learn counting 1 to 10. This is number 1. Can you say 1? Next, we have the number 2. 3. 4. Can you say 4? 5. This is number 6. Number 7. This is the number 8. Number 9. Finally, the number 10. You did great learning these numbers. Let's review them one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
We had so much fun today. If you loved learning with me, please click the subscribe button. See you next time. Bye-bye.